So welcome again. In connection with the previous video, we are now going to describe how to draw the graph. So to draw the graph, we have to follow this procedure part, this last three, this 1, 2 and 3. So we have to follow the equation number 3. So in the equation number 3, we have the bx value, b0 tan theta. We will find the different bx value. So now here you can find the bx from here also. If b0 is given for different x, we can have different bx. Now let me tell you one thing. This is the bx value. Even if I give a negative x value, as it is square, it will be positive. So whatever the value is, the bx will be positive until the I got changed. If the direction of the I is changed, the bx value will also be changed. Now coming to this graph part, and as well we have the procedure part. So in the procedure part we have this table. In this table we'll have the suppose 0 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 10, 15, 20, 25. We have taken all these values, and for this values we have different theta, and we have different x values also, bx values also. So depending on this x value, we have different bx values. So now what we have x and bx. So we have several x's and we have several bx's. So what we have to do, we have to draw a graph. So let's back to this. This is the nature of the graph. This will be the nature of the graph. So you will ask that this is the distance, this is the bx, this is the along the y-axis, this distance is along the x-axis. Now the question is, what the value of this? Obviously this is x equals to 0. So in the x equals to 0, from the x equals to 0 we have to go towards right and towards left as well. So what, from where to get this minus x and plus x? So we have mentioned earlier, let me remind you all these things. So in that part you can see this deflection with the compass box on the left side. If the compass box is on the left side, we have termed this as minus x, and when it is on right side we have termed it as plus x, or you can term it according to you. If you are taking it as plus x, you have to take it as minus x. So if 5 is here, so this is actually for plus 5 and this is for the minus 5, and correspondingly you will get 2bx. Actually you will get 2 bx's. So one is for the positive x and that is for negative x, or if you say this is the negative or this is the positive, it depends on you, but don't actually shuffle. If you are taking this as positive, take it positive throughout the experiment. If you are taking this as negative, take negative throughout the experiment. Now coming back to this part, so whatever the distances are, suppose this is plus 5, this is minus 5, so you will get actually same bx. The thing is that for different x actually, one is plus positive, another is negative, but the magnitude is same. Now coming back to the plus 10, now this is say minus 10, you will get these two values, and for 15, plus 15, minus 15, minus 20, plus 20, you will get several values, and obviously you have to find out the value of bx for the x equals to 0. For the x equals to 0, you will have some bx value which will be the maximum. So you have to draw the curve like this. The nature of the curve is like this. Don't actually connect the point to point. Don't connect the point to point, just follow the nature of the curve. It should be a curved line, not a straight like this. Just be careful. So don't just connect the point to get the curve. Just follow the pattern of the line. It will be like this. So that's all for today. You have to draw the graph by using this equation. This bx value, you have this equation number 3. When you have beta 0, you will have the theta and you will have a particular bx. So for a particular distance, whether it is positive or negative, you have the same bx. For another distance, you will have the same bx. Because this is the positive y-axis, we are considering the magnitude and also the magnitude part of the x. Whatever the value of the x is, whether it is minus or plus, if the magnitude is same, the bx value will be same. You will get two bx values. And that's all for today. You can subscribe the channel also to get more videos on that.